Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good. So today I need your guys' help. I'm trying to decide if I should take the splash guards off here. I've had them on since I bought it. It's one of the first things I did to this car. I'm just wondering if I should remove them, if it looks a little better. I mean, I know it's very minor, but being on a silver car, they do stand out compared to like a modern still. So what do you guys think? So I'm going to go ahead and remove them really quick. I want to get your guys' feedback, okay? Let me go ahead and pop them off real quick. Okay guys, so here it is. I didn't want to bore you with the removal video. I already did one like that. So I removed them very easy with just those couple of screws and clips. So what do you guys think? I know it's minor, it's a little piece of plastic, but being on silver or white, I feel like the black, I mean, it stands out a lot more. It does, in my opinion, look a little sportier without them. But it's so minor, I want to get your guys' feedback. I don't know. It does change the look a little bit though. But one thing I did notice, and I did a video on this before and I want to show you, is that it did leave some deep scratches in the rear here. I don't know if it's going to pick this one up on this side. This one's a little harder to see, but on the driver's side rear bumper, I'll show you. This is why I always recommend putting a clear piece of like 3M vinyl on it and then putting them down, because these things do really wear into the paint. Let's see if I can get this to focus here. And this one I can feel with my nail. I tried buffing it out. You see that right there? You can actually feel the little groove in it. So it's really chewed the paint up. So I would recommend, if you're going to do this, to put some 3M clear vinyl on, and it'll protect it. So then if you do go to remove them like this, you don't have unsightly scratches, especially on a darker color. I think that'll be more noticeable. The scratch, but the fronts doesn't really have any. It's funny, just the rears. So something to do maybe with more vibration, I don't know, but I know the bumper in the rear is a little like looser fitting than the front. So just want to share that with you guys, get your feedback, what you think with or without the splash guards, and then give you some insight. If you do remove them, be prepared for some scratches. Okay, so hope everyone's doing good. I appreciate it, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care, guys.